Howdy folks, I am here with the best pour painting recipe of your life. It is not expensive, and you can use any paint except for apple barrel white. Just never use that under any circumstances. I have tried a stupid amount of pour painting recipes and products online, and I have finally found what you can make at home that works best. It gives you those huge pretty cells that we all want, and you make it at home. It's cheaper than if you buy stuff directly for pour painting. I don't like standard pour painting products that you can buy online that are pre-mixed because they are both expensive and crappy. I've bought silicone designated for pour paintings online, and it has always cracked my paintings or made my paintings greasy or just not worked. I have a better answer for you. Alright, I'm gonna need you to trust the process here. I will explain myself and explain everything, but you need like really chunky freaking hardware grade silicone. Like bought at Home Depot or somewhere like that. Mine has seen better days, but you need it. Just a few dabs. Doesn't even really matter how much you get in the cup. And you may be thinking like, wow, this is chunky, but the key is to either strain it or mix it carefully with a brush, like smush it. So many of the other silicones I've used have just demolished my paintings and left them with cracks, but not this one. This is how much I'm using for a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I am pouring with only 2 colors, but for this kind of work I'm putting it in only 1 color. You can do that, or you can put it in all your colors. There's no wrong way. Then I'm using Floetrol, about 50%. If I go a little over that or a little under that, I simply do not worry about it. I'm not using high-end paints either. I'm using like the lowest of the low-end paints. I'm even using like wall paint for one of my colors because it's cheaper. This recipe seems to work with anything. My voice is a little rusty because I ate an entire pineapple, but here we are in action. Let's unbox this canvas. I had an idea in mind, but of course since it's a fluid pour, you never know what you'll end up with. I was doing white in the center and thinking I would put black on the edges and pull it across. But first, I had to make a mess. My black is the color that has the silicone in it, so that's my cell maker. This one will be using a swipe technique with my bare hands because I'm an animal, but this works with flip cups or anything else you like. But watch as I pull my paint inward. Those cells pop up immediately and they start to grow too. And if you use heat, they'll grow even more, like a hairdryer and whatnot. I'm not even done with this painting because I'm going to go in and do some crazy stuff afterwards, so subscribe to see what happens next with this one. Let me know how this goes for you, and like and subscribe for more.